In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search chat's history in Claude AI. If you've ever had a great exchange and can't remember where it is, this quick walkthrough will help you find it fast and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Claude AI. This is the simplest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the search results, click the official Claude AI website. You'll know you're in the right place when the address bar shows the Claude AI domain and the interface loads with the familiar Claude workspace. Once you're on the site, open the sidebar. Depending on your screen size, it might appear as a menu icon or as a panel on the left. Clicking it reveals the main navigation, which is where you'll access your conversations and tools. Next, select Chats. This takes you to your conversation list, which shows your recent sessions. This is the hub for browsing your history and, most importantly, searching across it. At the top of this page, you'll see a search bar designed specifically for your chat history. Click into the search bar and type a word or phrase that relates to the conversation you're trying to find. Aim for distinctive keywords, project names, unique terms you used, file names, or a short phrase you remember typing. Even a single memorable word can narrow things down quickly. If your first attempt pulls up too many results, try adding one more specific term. If you spelled something unusually, try both the correct spelling and the version you used in the chat. Small adjustments like that can make a big difference. As results appear, you'll see conversation titles and snippets that match your query. Skim these previews to spot the right one. When you see the conversation you want, click it. That opens the full thread so you can pick up where you left off, copy details you need, or continue the discussion seamlessly. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use terms that are unique to that conversation for faster results. Think of names, acronyms, or uncommon phrases you remember. If the results feel too broad, add another keyword to refine them. And if you don't see what you're looking for right away, try a related synonym or a different phrase you might have used. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, search for Claude AI, open the site, use the sidebar to go to Chats. Type your keyword in the search bar, and click the conversation you need. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.